If you want to quickly change font size in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to adjust text size in just a few clicks, whether you want your document to look more professional, make headings stand out, or simply make text easier to read. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple LibreOffice tips and tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look on the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This opens a new blank document where you can type or paste your text. Once your document is open, type some text or use an existing document, then select the text you want to change. This step is important because the font size change will only apply to the selected text unless you choose to format the entire document. After selecting the text, look at the top toolbar. You'll see the font name box, and right next to it is the font size box. This is where you can control how large or small your text appears. Click the drop-down arrow in the font size box to see the available size options. You can choose a preset size from the list, or if you want a custom size, just click inside the box and type a number directly. Common sizes like 11, 12, 14, 16, or 18 are often used depending on the style you want. After entering or selecting your size, press Enter to apply the change. You'll immediately see the selected text update to the new font size. If the text doesn't change right away, make sure the correct text is still highlighted before pressing Enter. You can repeat the same process for headings, subheadings, body text, or any other part of your document. This is especially useful if you want to create a clean document layout with different sizes for titles and paragraphs. You can also use the font size box again at any time to make additional adjustments until your document looks exactly the way you want. And that's all it takes to change font size in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple process, but once you know where to look, it becomes very fast and easy. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful LibreOffice guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.